Welcome to Fresh 19. I am Chef Pat. Today I would like to show you how I prepare pan-grilled corn. Pan-grilled corn is great used as a garnish on any salad. I especially like it on Mexican salads or rice bowls. I also serve it on 3-bean chili and potatoes and peppers stuffed with 3-bean chili. 3 important tips are: 1. Use a cast iron fry pan that you have heated until moderately hot. 2. Drain a can of corn and pat dry with paper towels. 3. Do not use any oil in the pan. Once your pan is moderately hot, pour the dried corn into the heated pan. Using a spatula, turn the corn over often so it doesn't burn. Season it a bit with salt and black pepper. When the corn starts to get a nice darkish brown on it, it is grilled. Be creative and Mangia.